Hello everyone, today we'll go through the sediment core sampling process. To start, you want to make sure the spot you selected has not been compressed. This can happen if you sample where you have stepped. As you hammer the core sampler, the clear tube, into the sediment, you want to be wary of shells and roots. The depth you are trying to achieve is between 25 and 30 centimeters of sediment. To bring the core up, you will create a vacuum by placing a rubber stopper at the tube opening. The orange ribbon on the stopper helps differentiate the top from the bottom stopper. It also helps locate the core sampler if it is below the water surface. You will begin to move the column back and forth to release the core sampler from the sediment. The sediment composition will affect the ease in which you can release the core. Once you can raise the core, it is important to place the bottom stopper before it leaves the water. You can now remove the top stopper. The surface of the sediment can be slippery, so be careful as you move. Place the core sampler on the smaller diameter pole and begin pushing the bottom stopper through the core sampler. Stop pushing down when the surface of the core reaches the top of the core sampler. My partner is using a common kitchen tool, often referred to as a bench scraper, dough knife, or pastry cutter, to measure 5 cm segments and to slice off pieces of the core. We took the top 20 centimeters of the core for our sampling purposes. The top segment corresponds to 5 to 8 years of sedimentation. The middle segment corresponds to 8 to 20 years of sedimentation, and the final and largest segment corresponds to 20 plus years of sedimentation. The sedimentation rate is specific to the region we collected in. This is information to keep in mind when you take your own sediment core samples. That completes the core sampling process. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please comment below.